Mr. Deepak. We had operated him in June 2023. So what I want to show you is that what density he's got is just amazing. I would say that into 3,500 plus surgeries which I've done, would rank amongst one of the best and the topmost results. The density, the naturality, the fall of the hair, if you see the combing style, the volume is just very, very good. If I show you this scalp right now, you will not even realize that there is any sort of baldness in this case. Even if you come and see the crown area, there is absolutely very high density, very high natural results which is there. This is his left side, this is his front view. We at VIVA Aesthetic Clinic have one of the latest technologies and techniques in the hair transplant industries. We bring about the most customized treatments from the international standards and from the Indian standards and make a best combination which gives you the best results in the whole of India, I would say. Seeing this, I would say that the results are fantastic. It's been almost close to 1.5 years. The results are long lasting, the natural results, and to do your treatment is a very important step. So I would again emphasize on the fact, do it once, do it right, and do it at the best place. Thank you.